This is an uncut video, an unedited video. Pattaravakkam to Perambur in high speed 110 km in just 6 minutes 30 seconds. Onboard Bangalore Chennai Shatabdi, our loco is WAP7 LGD 30240. We are in the Chennai Suburban section, Pattaravakkam now. Chennai Suburban section is now up to Arakonam, 69 kilometers, 4 tracks, 2 mainline and 2 suburban. Local EMUs now fly regularly up to Arakonam and beyond. The loco pilot is doing a steady 110 plus. After some difficulty, I found the method of holding my camera very steady, so you don't find much jerk. This view is as good as the view from the loco pilot, except you don't see the front track. Corrector, skipping corrector now. Bangalore Chennai Shatabdi leaves Bangalore at 6 a.m. in the morning and arrives at Chennai Central at 11 a.m. a distance of 360 kilometers in 5 hours. As you can see, a very steady. Now you come to the integral coach factory exit railway line where the new coaches are parked here, fresh coaches manufactured at ICA and going all over India. That's an EMU route. Really well. Just awesome steady run, straight railway line, no curves. That's the integral coach factory on your right. A huge mega complex. This is called the Perambur Loco Works. Perambur Carriage Works, ICF factory. People get down here for ICF factory. Perambur. After Perambur, you have Vyasarvadi, Jiva, and then followed by the Blazing Bridge Junction, and then Chennai Central. It's just about 4 kilometers from Chennai Central. We are slowing down now. Vyasarvadi, Jiva, and then on to Blazing Bridge in Chennai. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and have a good day.